Hey Motorized Bicycle family, this is Tony here from Bikeberry. I'm doing a little traveling this weekend. I'm in Missouri, but I wanted to remind you that we're giving away the Switz Cruz bicycle. And I want to let you in on a little secret. We're going to modify it before we give it away. There's a few ways that you can enter the drawing for the Switz Cruz bicycle. The first and most important is there's a link below. Go there, put your information in. That's going to put you on the master list for the drawing. You're not going to win it if you're not on that list. So do that right now, okay? Now, the second thing that you can do to get entered in the drawing is when you make a purchase on our website and you enter in the coupon code Tony's VIP, you'll get 10% off. This is good for 30 days. You get 10% off of your order and you're automatically entered into that list. So that's two ways. And the third way is to comment, like, and subscribe on all our future videos. You can click that bell icon so you get notified every time I put a new video out. I'm excited. We're going to give this away. And like I said, if you listened in the first part of the video, we're going to customize it. It's going to be cool. So I wanted to thank you for watching the Build It Right series up to this point, where we've taken a raw frame and a raw engine, everything new. We've been putting it all together and showing you step by step how to have a successful build. You know, the things you're going to run to that are troublesome, all the things that really make this this hobby fun for me. I love problem solving and all that, and I hope you do too. So do all those things. I want you to win a Switz Cruz bicycle. Let's roll.